From a tiny mouse that lives inside of a tree to a very colorful parrot that only exists in one place on Earth, here are 10 of the rarest animals you've never heard of and where they live. Number 10. The okapi. The okapi is known as the forest giraffe because it has the same pattern on its legs as a giraffe, but it also has the body of a zebra. These animals are only found in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, and there are only an estimated 10,000 left in the wild. No, 9. The kakapo. This critically endangered flightless bird can only be found in New Zealand. It has a parrot that lives in burrows during the day and comes out at night to look for food. There are only around 200 kakapo birds left, and they're all male. That's because the females have all died off due to habitat destruction. Number 8. The pangolin. This mammal is also known as the scaly anteater. And even though they're not technically a reptile, they do kind of look like one with their scaly body and their long sticky tongue. Pangolins are the most trafficked animal in the world, and there are only an estimated 10,000 left. Number 7. The saola. This extremely rare mammal is also known as the Asian unicorn because it has a single horn on its head. It is about the size of a small cow, and it lives in the mountains of Vietnam and Laos. There have only been about 100 sightings of this animal in the wild, and it is believed that there are only around 700 of them left. Number 6. The red panda. The red panda is a small furry animal that lives in the mountains of Nepal and Bhutan. It has a long, bushy tail, and it eats mostly bamboo. Even though it's called a panda, it's not related to the giant panda. There are only an estimated 10,000 red pandas left, and they re-endangered due to climate change and habitat loss. No. 5. The blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal on planet Earth, yet it's still extremely elusive and rarely seen by humans. They live in all of the world's oceans, and there are only an estimated 10,000 to 20,000 left. Number 4. The vaquita. The vaquita is a small porpoise that lives in the northern Gulf of California. It's the rarest marine mammal in the world with only an estimated 10 left. The vaquita is critically endangered due to overfishing, and it is believed that all 10 of them are pregnant females. No. 3. The mountain gorilla. As the name suggests, the mountain gorilla lives in the mountains of Central Africa. It is a subspecies of the eastern gorilla, and there are only an estimated 1,000 left in the wild. Number 2. The addax. The addax is a type of antelope that lives in the Sahara Desert. It has long horns and a white coat with black stripes. Addaxes were once thought to be extinct, but a few were found in the 1960s and 70s. There are now around 100 addaxes in zoos and wildlife reserves, but they're still very rare in the wild. Number 1. The ginkgo biloba. The ginkgo biloba is a type of tree that can live for thousands of years. It has fan-shaped leaves that turn yellow in the fall, and it produces a small fruit that tastes like a pine nut. The ginkgo biloba is believed to be the oldest living tree species on Earth. And even though they're common in China, they're very rare in the United States. There are only an estimated 300 ginkgo trees in the US outside of cultivation. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up.